Hey guys, today we are going to Mostar. Right now we are headed to a train out of Sarajevo. It is now about 10 to 15 minutes after we just recorded that intro, and we have failed to get a taxi because for some reason in 2022 not every single country has Uber. That means we are going to miss our train this morning. I think we are going to hop on the next train, which actually doesn't leave until about 4 or 5 o'clock in the afternoon. It's currently around 6:30, 7 a.m. right now. A little change in plans, but we're gonna roll with it and hopefully not miss the next train to Mostar. How you feeling about it? Say you don't care. Okay, let's try this one more time. We are about to head out and go to Mostar by train from Sarajevo. Hopefully we're gonna be able to catch a taxi. I think we are. We've got someone on the way right now. So if everything goes to plan, we should be in Mostar in about 2.5 hours. Well, we have made it to our Airbnb. Here's a small little house tour. I'll throw it up on the screen out right now while I'm talking. But the train was absolutely amazing. We had the entire first class section to ourselves. There wasn't a whole lot of people on this train. The place isn't huge, but I'm about to show you the best part about this place. As you can see, the terrace is absolutely gorgeous, way bigger than what we looked at in the pictures, but that's gonna end our travel day for today. Let's head to tomorrow where we're gonna walk around Mostar and explore the town a little bit. All right, it is now the morning after. We just woke up, got ready. Now we are about to go explore this city, go see the old bridge, try some food here in Mostar, but first take a look at this view that we have from our terrace. I think number one on our list today is probably going to be going to see the old bridge because that seems to be the biggest thing to see in Mostar, at least when we look it up. Is there anything else that you want to go see?
I want to go get food because I'm starving and I haven't had my coffee yet.
We're gonna probably go get food, coffee, and then go see the old bridge.
Yeah.
So let's go.
Sound coming to me. Sound coming to me. Sound coming to me. Sound coming. Sound coming to me. Sound coming to me. Sound coming. Sound coming to me. 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 Sound coming.
Well, I got good news and I got bad news. Which one do you want to hear first?
Bad news.
Bad news is we're gonna have to get her out of the stroller.
That's okay.
Good news is we're here at the bridge.
I kind of assumed we need to get her out because she's gonna have a headache.
What?
This place right next to me has Oreo iced coffee. And if you know me, I love Oreos and I love iced coffee. So I'll have to stop by.
We're standing right next to the bridge that we traveled over 1,500 miles from the US to get to, and she's more worried about Oreo, ice cream, and coffee.
It's not ice cream.
But we're here. We made it to the bridge.
Oh my gosh. jump off that. They jump off of it into the water.
Yeah, so what they'll do is you'll have a guy who will stand, let's see, right up here, and he'll wait for enough people to give him enough money for him to jump off. You can actually do a little crash course here, which will, oh, well, here it is right here. So that platform right there, you'll have instructors that will instruct you how to land, how to deal with the impact of the water, and if they see that you're fit enough to jump off those and have good form, then you can move up to right up there. And the big reason we wanted to come here is because today Hannah will be jumping off of this point right here.
So nervous.
Just kidding. I don't think she would do that even if we did have a daughter. I don't know. Would you?
No.
I maybe would.
I feel like, at least standing from here, it kind of looks a little deceiving because we're almost to the height of the bridge, and so it doesn't look like the water is that far down. But I feel like once you're down at the water level and you look up, you'll really see how high it actually is.
I feel like it's still pretty high from where we're at right now. I don't know if I would jump from this point. One reason, because there's a bunch of rocks under us, and two, it's still pretty high. Well, we're gonna stop procrastinating. We're gonna get up on the bridge. I think the only reason we're trying to hold out is because we're gonna have to leave our stroller here, because as you can see, the bridge is a little bit more rockier than the cobblestone roads that we took to get to this point. So let's go to the top of the bridge. First impressions of the bridge, it is a lot steeper to get up than I imagined. I thought it was just gonna be an easy walk, but at least for Arabella, it's sort of impossible. For us, it's not too bad, but it is a lot higher up here than it looks like on the pictures, and even when we're standing right down there. First impressions of the bridge.
It's a lot bigger than I thought.
Okay, I'm holding Arabella, so I don't know how good this footage will be, but we're about to get Hannah's first impressions of the bridge up here.
So the bridge is a lot bigger than what I thought it would be. There's no way you could pay me to jump off of this, but the view is incredible. The water is so blue. It makes me want to be able to go swim in there, actually. Just not today. It's way too windy. The water's way too cold.
That's our first impressions of the bridge. We are gonna get this girl some food. I think we're actually gonna go eat at this restaurant right down here that has an amazing view of the bridge. We made it to the restaurant. We are gonna get this hungry girl some food so she can be happy and in a better mood for the rest of the day. She's already kind of happy right now, but I know how much of a better mood she'll be in once she gets her stomach full. But right now we've got an amazing view of the bridge. So I think we're just gonna sit here, get some food in our system, look at our view, and after this, continue to explore the city. Okay, slight change of plans. We are back at our Airbnb. One thing to note when you come here, if you do come here with a child that's gonna be in a stroller, it is extremely hard to get around Mostar, at least the old town parts. It's all cobblestone, which looks absolutely gorgeous, but with the stroller, it is just way too much. We had to end up picking Arabella up, carrying her. I had to push the stroller and or carry it. So right now it's a little bit of a headache for us to go to Mostar, to the old town section. So I think now we're gonna find a nice restaurant to just calm down, chill out at. Tonight when we get back, we are going to create a schedule for us for tomorrow. And hopefully tomorrow, week after we do a little bit of research tonight, we can find something a little bit more fun that's gonna be a little bit more family friendly for us. But for today, that's gonna about do it. Again, we're just gonna run to the restaurant and plan a full day for tomorrow to try to get the most out of this short 3-day trip.